Brad from Bend Dyno here. We're here with Mark from Edelbrock, and we're going to talk a little bit about the upgrades that are available through Edelbrock for the new Raptor pickup trucks. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about what you...
Yeah, so we're definitely excited about this project. It's kind of one of many that we're going to be working on over the next years, where we're getting more into upgrades on turbochargers for factory vehicles. So what you see here, what we've kind of done is done it in a three-stage type of a setup so that it's affordable for anybody. If somebody wants just a really basic upgrade, still 100 rear wheel horsepower on stage 1, but it includes an intercooler, a tune, and just some of the basic easy bolt-ons. Then when you go to level 2, basically you're going to add the turbochargers to the mix, which gets you into that 130, 140 horsepower at the wheels gain. And then our last setup is the same as number 2, but it just has a fuel pump booster in it. Okay. The truck just runs out of fuel when it gets to a certain point, so we put the booster on it, we get it up over 160 rear wheel horsepower. Wow. So pretty cool setup.
Awesome. And all 50 state legal, got CARBIO stamps on everything. Yeah, so that is cool. That's what we're excited to see.
Absolutely, so. Yeah. I mean, that's a big deal for sure. A lot of times people confuse 50 state legal with no power, but you can see 164 more than stock.
Definitely some gains in CARBIO stamp on 164 wheel horsepower.
Absolutely.
Can't beat that. And what year truck, 17 to 22 F-150?
Yeah, so all those years basically, and we have it now fitting the HO and non-HO engines. So we originally brought it out for just like the Raptors and stuff like that had the HO, but now it fits all the models. So it's pretty much a complete kit for all those years.
We're excited to sell some more of these kits.
Yeah, it's a really cool kit. I mean, it just works so well, and honestly, there's a lot more power
on the table
too. Absolutely. I mean, that's where we kind of stopped for, really good transmission reliability. Of course, I mean, we know that this is happening.
Sure.
But guys that want to push the limit, obviously, and if you're not too concerned about the legality part of it, you can definitely turn the screws a lot harder. That's for sure. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
One more quick thing: how big are the turbos compared to the factory ones? What's the upgrade? Are they size difference or?
Yes, they are slightly bigger, and I don't have the exact details. David Page could get you that, right. But they are a slightly bigger exhaust and compressor side. But we did maintain a lot of the same stuff like the factory turbos with the Inconel exhaust wheel and all those kinds of features. So I mean, they're OE grade.
And as far as packaging, they're not bigger and going to be touching stuff.
No, they're designed to bolt right in. Obviously, they use factory gates and everything like that on them, and they literally bolt in. The physical size of them is really no different than the stock turbos. It's just the wheel and stuff like that inside on this.
Any type of heat barrier or anything with the factory ones that these don't have, or everything can still fit from the factory?
100% stock. Cool. Everything just bolts right on like it's stock. So
good deal.
I mean, we went as far as obviously keeping all the mounting exactly the same. When we send the turbos to you, they're all clocked correctly and everything like that. So you can just literally bolt them on. Yeah, the hard work is done. So it's really, really simple.
Yeah, David actually sent us one of these for the show last year, so we have a little mock-up here on our front counter. So we'll take that to the show.
Yep. No, that's awesome.
All right. Thanks again, Mark.
No, you're very welcome. Thank you.